Want lake living without the lakefront price tag? This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, custom Nicola Lake home has breathtaking panoramic views from almost every room, and the price tag is lower than you might think. Secret no one talks about. Sometimes the best lake views are not from the waterfront. They're from above it. If you're dreaming of lake living with a view that you just can't get enough of, you're going to have to see this one in person. Call today to book your personal tour before somebody else claims your view.